Theory Test and the Highway Code by the AA. Read for you by Brandon Rees-Taylor on the Jesse Millette YouTube channel. The Theory Behind the Test. Section 10. Rules of the Road. Rules of the road is a good way to describe what is in the Highway Code. The questions that come under this heading in the theory test include several on road signs and road markings. There are many more road sign questions in the section on road and traffic signs. Several of the topics listed in this section have already come up. Other questions in this section cover speed limits, overtaking, parking, lanes and roundabouts, clearways, box junctions, crossroads, pedestrian crossings, and towing caravans and trailers. Speed limits. Driving too fast for the road, traffic or weather conditions causes accidents. Make sure that you keep below the speed limit shown on the signs for the road that you are on. The right speed for the conditions. If it is raining or there is snow and ice on the road, or if you are driving in a high wind, then you have to drive more slowly than the maximum speed limit. This will keep you and other road users safe. Remember, you have to double the time you allow for stopping and braking in wet weather. Allow even more time in snow and ice. You need to be extra careful when driving in fog. 30 miles per hour in a built-up area. 50 miles per hour on a long, twisty country road. Or as low as 20 miles per hour in a residential area with speed bumps or traffic calming measures. The national speed limit for cars on a dual carriageway is 70 miles per hour. This is also the maximum speed limit for motorway driving. The right speed for your vehicle. Some other vehicles have lower speed limits than cars. You can find out more about speed limits from the table in the Highway Code. National speed limit. When you leave a built-up area, you will usually see a white sign with a black stripe diagonally. This tells you that the national speed limit for this type of road applies here. The national speed limit for cars on a normal road is 60 miles per hour. So on this road you must drive below 60 miles per hour even if it is straight and empty. Streetlights usually mean that a 30 miles per hour limit applies, unless there are signs showing other limits. Parking rules. There are some general rules about parking that all drivers should know. Whenever you can, you should use off-street car parks or parking bays. These are marked out with white lines on the road. Never park where your vehicle could be a danger to other road users. Look for special signs that tell you that you cannot park there at certain times of the day, or that only certain people may park in that place. Examples include signs showing bus lanes, cycle lanes, residence parking zones, and roads edged with red or yellow lines. Blue badges are given to people with disabilities. Do not park in a space reserved for a driver with a disability, even if that is the only place left to park. A driver with a disability may need to park there. You will break the law if you park in that space. Parking at night. If you park at night on a road that has a speed limit higher than 30, you must switch on your parking lights. You must switch on your parking lights even if you have parked in a lay-by on this type of road. When parking at night, always park facing in the same direction as the flowing traffic. If your vehicle has a trailer, you must switch on parking lights even if the road has a 30 miles per hour speed limit. Where not to park. You are not permitted to park on the pavement, at a bus stop, in front of someone's drive, opposite a traffic island, near a school entrance, on a pedestrian crossing, or inside the zigzag lines either side of it, near a junction, on a clearway, or on a motorway.